Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm very excited. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for those who wished me a happy birthday, for the gifts guys I received them, those who sent via M-Pesa, those who sent parcels from Nairobi. May God bless you so much. And the reason I decided to do this video, I want to share with you some of the gifts that I received from my biggest fan guys. Yes, and that is my husband. Guys, the gift touched my heart because it shows that he understands me so well. He supports what I do, and those who follow my content, they know that I do baking content. And guys, I needed these gifts. I needed them so much, and surprising me with them, it touched my heart. So guys, it's very important to give your partners. One, it shows that you love them. It also shows that you care, and it will strengthen the bond between the two of you. Just make it a culture for you to be gifting your partners. Doesn't matter how small, how big the gift is. What matters is how they feel when they receive the gift. That you're communicating, that you are also sharing the love. It doesn't matter if it's birthday or any day. Just buy something for your partner. It makes them feel so good. It really matters. Sometimes that gift that they need for them to cheer them up. You know, when they had a bad day coming home, you know your partner well, you know what they love, you know what they like doing, you know the language that you speak. I want to encourage you guys to support one another's career, to support one another's hobbies and interests. Especially guys, if you have a partner, a girlfriend, boyfriend, just support them. Support them whichever way that you can. Doesn't matter. You don't have to be a big thing, but just support them. Support your partner. It's really important. Boost that mood, you know. It also spice up the relationship. It shows how much that person means to you. If it's that dinner, just go cook dinner for them. I know guys, you can't wait to see this gift, but for him supporting my content, it means so much. That's why I decided to share. Expect more of baking content from my channel, and make sure that you subscribe. And guys, go today, surprise your partner, just buy something for them. Love you.